Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Betty. Nice to meet you. So today's video is an inspired look that I got from Nicki Minaj when she featured Megan in her Nice to Meet You video. Guys, her hair was amazing. I really did like the pink hair on her, so I went to Amazon and I looked for the same similar wig and I came across this synthetic wig. So I decided to do a review for you guys. Just in case you have the same taste as I do, then just keep watching. So the hair is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the info section. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can get it. The wig is amazing. I was shocked at the quality of the wig. It did shed a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. And guys, I really do love the color as well. If it wasn't for Nicki Minaj look that I was going for, I would have kept it this way because the wig was amazing. So as you can see, I'm cutting the lace of this wig. The lace wasn't bad and the hairline looks plucked. It didn't look too artificial to me, so I really did like this wig. The best thing about this wig is it came in with a handbook. So the handbook teaches you how to maintain the hair. It teaches you how to wash the hair, straighten the hair. So that is a plus. And it also came in with a stocking cap. So I didn't have to use my personal stocking cap. So yeah, guys. And as you can see, I was taking my time to cut the lace, and now I'm going in with my got to be glue gel, and then I'm just gonna spread it all around my hairline, let it sit for some time, and then apply the lace because I wanted the glue to sit and be a little bit tacky before I apply the lace. So that is exactly what I was doing. Also added my got to be glue spray just to give me a very strong hold because I wanted to wear this wig for like 3 days. So yes, I added it in addition to the gel, and I also applied my silk scarf. So yeah. Finally, the glue is dry, so I just went ahead and styled the hair. So as you can see, the lace looks kind of white. It doesn't match my skin tone, so I went ahead and used my foundation powder, and I applied it on the lace just to match my skin tone. And also I really do love the length like this, but because I was trying to achieve Nicki Minaj style, I went ahead and cut the hair. And I also experienced a little bit of shedding, not too much because I cut the hair, so definitely I'm going to see a shedding, but it wasn't that much that I will complain of. This hair is beautiful and I really do love the texture. I love how soft this hair feels. And also, this video is not sponsored, guys. Like, this video is not sponsored at all. I bought the hair with my own money because I was trying to go for this Nicki Minaj look that I was so crazy about. So yeah. So guys, Nicki's hair looked deep pink from the roots, so I decided to apply my pink eyeshadow on the roots and see how it's gonna blend in. And it did well. I really do love it. It did the work, it did the magic. So yeah. And also, if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup, you can watch to the end because I made sure to do a tutorial on this makeup. I didn't know whether you guys would be requesting for this makeup, so yes, I enjoyed doing this video. And guys, just make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. And you can also share this video to your friends if they are interested in colors like this. This hair was very affordable. It was like $30 on Amazon. If you want to get this hair, I'm going to leave the link in the info section so you guys can, you know, check it out yourself. So yeah. So guys, this is the final look. I actually love the look. I feel like I look like Nicki Minaj. Don't judge me, but that is how I feel. But alright guys, those of you who want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, just keep watching. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification button, and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.